Around the world, road accidents tragically claim the lives of over 1 million people each year, while also seriously injuring millions more. The human cost is too high to ignore, and efforts at the international level are needed to save lives. How do we even start to improve traffic safety? Don't worry, we'll tell you. Subscribe to New World Tech. Stay tuned till the end and get to know the technology that saves lives on the roads and at crossings. Infrastructure and road construction were prioritized in the era of the horse and carriage. In the early 1900s, as the number of cars increased, so did the number of fatal motor vehicle accidents, and we soon became aware of the terrible consequences of collisions. The development of airbags and seat belts over the 20th century changed the focus to improving the car itself. Before recently, there was a lot of attention paid to impact zones and a vehicle's capacity to absorb a collision without a fatality. Now that technology has advanced, we are starting to move beyond just mitigating the effects of an impact to completely avoiding them. According to data from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, 42,915 individuals died in motor vehicle traffic accidents in 2021. The NHTSA claims that the crisis in road safety is brought on by crash rates that have risen to levels last seen in 2005. According to NHTSA, 94% of serious collisions are caused by human error. New technology might be able to lower those figures. So let's move on to the techs that will save millions of lives in the future. Number 1. Automatic emergency braking. According to American Consumer Research, data and analytics company J.D. Power, AEB systems started to become a high-end feature of luxury cars around the middle of the 2000s. The AEB technology will be standard on practically all new vehicles sold in the United States by 2023 as a result of an agreement between automakers and the NHTSA. A safety technology system known as automatic emergency braking, AEB, can anticipate a potential collision and act automatically. To avoid a collision, the system will cause a vehicle's brakes to engage. Either the entire vehicle will stop or it will slow down. For AEB systems to analyze hazards and potentially life-threatening circumstances, visual information from radar alternative technologies like LiDAR, cameras, or radars is necessary. AEB has a few drawbacks. It normally works better at low speeds and may not completely stop an automobile at high speeds, and it is less effective at night than it is during the day. Different things, such as shadows on the road, can cause an AEB to falsely notify and perform automatic braking. AEB operates in both heavy and light traffic, in parking lots, and urban, rural, and highway settings. Pedestrian, cyclist, and reverse automatic braking detection are crucial components of AEB systems. According to the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS, AEB systems cut the number of front-to-rear collisions and injuries by 50% and 56%, respectively. On to the number 2. Forward collision warning. FCW is also a technology that depends on radar, LiDAR, or cameras to operate. Contrary to AEB systems, FCW technology alerts drivers rather than taking control of the vehicle. FCW systems provide visual, vibratory, or audible warnings to help drivers react in the event of an impending collision. Car manufacturers connect FCW systems with AEB systems to create more integrated and mixed systems, even though they cannot brake a car on their own. FCW tech issues are intended to give motorists ample time to reduce their speed, use the brakes, alter their route, or steer. FCW technology has also advanced. Most systems will be able to provide early, moderate, or late alerts by 2022. The FCW technology has several drawbacks as well, because they use sensors or cameras to operate. Inclement weather, such as ice, snow, or fog, might prohibit the system from functioning as intended. Consumer Reports surveyed 47,000 automobile models from 2017 to 2022 and 2022 of drivers who used FCW systems. The findings indicated that 56% of the drivers polled were happy with the FCW technology. To emphasize their safety features, automakers frequently modify the nomenclature of FCW technology, which might occasionally confuse potential customers. Up next is number 3. The blind spot warning. SUVs and other large cars frequently strike pedestrians while turning, according to IIHS research from 2022. 6,500 people died in pedestrian crashes in 2020, a 59% increase from the previous year. 54,700 pedestrians were hurt in car accidents that same year. The IIHS blamed blind areas for the rise of occurrences. An automobile has multiple blind spots, including those at the rear, the side rear mirrors, and the A-pillar sections, which connect the roof to the body of the car. According to studies, a larger vehicle will have greater blind spots. Blind spot alert sensors are used by BMW systems to detect the driver's blind spots and alert them. When a vehicle, pedestrian, or other object is in blind spots, BMW warnings are activated during steering, braking, or lane change operations. A Consumer Reports survey reveals that drivers are finding this technology helpful. 64% of drivers of the 47,000 vehicles surveyed stated they were satisfied with the blind spot warning system. Moving on to the number 4, parked and in-motion vehicle safety. According to a CBS investigation from 2016, parking lots and garages are the scenes of 20% of all incidents. The National Safety Council estimates that these accidents result in about 50,000 crashes and over 60,000 injuries each year. When moving in reverse, it is typical for parked drivers to get preoccupied or startled by unexpected events. When a car reverses, sensors or cameras called rear cross-traffic alerts, RCTA, look at the back and sides of the vehicle. However, when a car is moving, lane departure warning systems are essential for preserving lives. They are made to warn motorists when they veer off their lane without using their turn signal. Although an LDW won't take over driving, it can be used in conjunction with other safety features to brake or steer the car in the right direction. According to studies, LDW systems can reduce crashes by 11% overall and injuries by 21%. Near the rearview mirror, LDW cameras are typically installed on the windshield. The camera will keep an eye on any highway or road lane markers. Different LDW system versions are available across car brands. For instance, lane keeping assistance and lane centering assistance can take over the steering and braking of the vehicle. Coming to the last one, Adaptive Cruise Control, ACC. Complex safety systems created to keep a safe following distance are together referred to as Adaptive Cruise Control, ACC. When ACC is activated, the vehicle's speed is automatically modified. ACC systems may have been known by a different name. Depending on the brand of a car, it may also go by the names Active Cruise Control, Dynamic Cruise Control, Radar Cruise Control, Automatic Cruise Control, Intelligent Cruise Control, and other names. Additionally, ACC makes advantage of sensory data gathered by onboard gear such as cameras, lasers, radar, and LiDAR. Due to its more sophisticated features, ACC has been referred to as the future of automotive intelligence. Hence, this brings an end to our video, but we will come back with some new and interesting videos of the future in the future. Till then, make sure that you like our video and do share your views and opinions with us in the comments section below. Subscribe to the channel New World Tech to get videos from us regularly. And also do not forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Thanks for watching. We'll see you at the next one. Until then, peace.